Hello, in this tutorial I will guide you through the steps to resolve Windows activation error code 0xc004d302. Step 1. Run System File Checker SFC. Open the search bar, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to confirm. In the black window, type sfc/scanow, press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take several minutes. If it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, then restart your PC. Step 2. Edit the registry optional advanced step. Open the search bar, type regedit, then right-click, select Run as Administrator. Select Yes if prompted. Create a backup before changing anything. Click on File, then select Export and name the file. Choose Export Range All, then click Save. Now navigate to this path step by step. HKE local machine, then to software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, current version, finally to software protection platform. On the right, find a key named Skip Rearm. Double-click it. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Click OK. Step 3. Run Rearm command. Reopen Command Prompt as administrator like in Step 1. Enter the command. You'll see a confirmation pop-up command completed successfully. Please restart the system. Click OK, then restart your computer. Your Windows activation issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.